Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing whole milk for texture and a reliable starter that imparts the live cultures. Once sterilized jars and a thermometer are ready, gently heat 1 L milk to 82 degrees C to denature proteins. This gives thicker yogurt. Hold for 5 minutes, then remove from heat. Make sure to cool the milk to about 43 degrees C because that's the ideal temperature for the culture to thrive. After cooling, proceed immediately to inoculate so bacteria aren't. You now make a starter slurry. Whisk 2 tablespoons of active plain yogurt into 50 ml of the cooled milk until smooth, because even distribution prevents clumps and ensures consistent fermentation. Once blended, fold that into the rest of the milk gently but thoroughly. Then maintain an incubation temperature of 42-45 degrees C. This encourages lactobacillus growth without killing them. Incubate for 6 to 8 hours, depending on desired tang. Checked. You finish by preparing the apple topping so it's ready when the yogurt is set. Sauté 2 diced apples with 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon cinnamon until soft, then cool to room temperature so heat doesn't kill the cultures. Once the yogurt has chilled in the fridge for at least 4 hours and is firm, gently fold in the cooled apples. If you find the yogurt is too thin, strain through cheesecloth for 2 to 4 hours to thicken, and make sure to use an active, fresh starter next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.